CM, today is Monday, January 6th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage. I'm an investing master at the real world, and when it comes to finding the probabilities of the market and systemized way से invest करना, I am one of the best in the world. और ये सब कुछ मेरी वीडियोस में रिकॉर्डेड है बिकॉज मैंने इस बुल मार्केट को बहुत एक्यूरेटली हर स्टेज पे नेविगेट किया. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, मैंने एक वीक पहले 2 वीक पहले बता दिया था कि लाइक दिस इज ऑल गोइंग टू हैपन एंड इट इज ऑल रिकॉर्डेड इन द वीडियोस. लेकिन आपको वो समझ में नहीं आएगी बिकॉज जो भी मैं अपने एनालिसिस में बात करता हूँ इट इज इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट आई टीच इन माय मास्टर क्लास. दुनिया में जो भी सक्सेसफुल ट्रेडर्स या इन्वेस्टर्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, एवरी सिंगल वन ऑफ देम दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ए प्रोसेस दे गो थ्रू, दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ क्राइटेरिया, दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सिस्टम्स they use to make their investing या फिर trading decisions. And this is what we do. We want to make most amount of money. We want to make best decisions in the market. हमें कोई लोगों को सुन के कोई फाट कॉइन बाय नहीं करना, कोई कुत्ते बिल्ले हमें बाय नहीं करने. We do that, but with the systemized way. And guys, you don't know the power of systemization. It is the absolute best strategies that can exist. आपको खुद के ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. यू कैन लीव इट ऑन योर सिस्टम्स. वो आपके लिए आपके ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस लेंगे. इवन द एनालिसिस दैट आई डू 9 आउट ऑफ 10 टाइम्स एग्जैक्टली वही होता है जो मैं कहता हूं. और मैं हवा में बात नहीं करता, लाइक मैं डेटा से ड्राइव करता हूं जो भी मैं बात करता हूं. बट इवन इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड बाय माय सिस्टम्स. मैं वही करूंगा जो मेरे सिस्टम्स कहेंगे. एनालिसिस इज फॉर कैप्चरिंग the additional opportunity. So analysis complements my systems. It does not replace it. So you can join my masterclass here. DM me on Instagram to join. मुझे Instagram पे DM कर सकते हो. It is Khizr_Javed. यहाँ पे spelling I've already put. So मुझे Instagram पे DM me to join the masterclass. It is paid $20, a price of a not even a dinner. Like I had a dinner with not even dinner, like breakfast with my girlfriend. I ended up spending like 3 times this money. So guys, like seriously, you are missing out on crushing the bull market, the secret sauce to crush this bull market for $20. आपको recorded lectures मिलेंगे and moreover I'm gonna provide you all the signals while you are learning. जब तक आप अपने systems build कर रहे हो, आप lectures, I'm there to guide you every step of the way. मैं daily basis पे signals provide करता हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, market के क्या signals हैं, मेरे systems के क्या signals हैं, and you can literally follow it. I have posted many meme coins जिन्होंने 2-3 days में they have done 5x, 10x. One of them did like maybe 12x. I think. And even today, like one of them did like a 3x. So, like, what are you waiting for? Join the masterclass and crush this bull market. You want to make life-changing gains? This is the place, and I am your guy. I am the professor you're looking for to learn about crypto and become an independent expert for the rest of your life if you take it seriously. So this is going to be a rough structure of my daily analysis. Sabse pehle I'm going to look at macro information, and then I'm going to look into some medium to short term information. Then meme market, I'm going to look into the meme market, what is happening, and outlook. मैं एक outlook provide करूँगा कि okay, like what are the other technical things that we are looking for and what is probably going to happen, and then the recommendations कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. So without any further wait, let's get straight into it, which is looking absolutely beautiful. Bitcoin broken the 100K again. Not a surprise. Not a surprise. मैंने पहले ही बता दिया था कि like I'm pretty sure if you go through my like previous analysis videos, I have drawn some squiggles. Like I've drawn all the squiggles from here. Okay, something like this is going to happen, and yeah, very well, very well. I was positioned accordingly, made a bunch of money. Well, who cares about money? We care about playing the bull market in the longest term. हम पूरी bull market को play करते हैं. हम वो नहीं charts के सामने बैठ के lines लगा के 24 घंटे charts को देखते रहे कि like we don't jerk off on charts. We invest for the whole bull market and we trade in between. We do all sorts of things. Like you just don't know because you are just too poor. You're too poor to invest $20 in your education and learning how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars and thousands and millions of dollars. Come on. You can do anything only if you listen to me and invest in your education to develop your own systems. Anyways, Bitcoin is ranging, not trending, not at least right now, unless ये यहाँ इस area से ऊपर break करके it holds and then boom. Unless that happens, Bitcoin is ranging, and मैं यहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ Bitcoin is ranging within this range जो मैंने यहाँ पे draw भी किया. So yeah, well, looking good. The rest of the market, I'm gonna get into it bit later on. सबसे पहले I'm gonna jump straight into the data to see what do we have. We have a little bit of TGS spun down, as you all know. Okay, we track liquidity a lot every single day, and the liquidity is increasing, and this might will also be reflected in our proxy on the trading view. And as you know, okay, I predicted, I like not predicted, but यहाँ पे like somewhere around here, I drew all these lines कि okay, this is going to happen. So very well that सिर्फ charts पे, Bitcoin के charts पे नहीं बल्कि global liquidity phenomenon पे भी, like we can do sorts of things to know what is going to happen. Absolutely beautiful, but we don't have any major TGS pen down. RRP, जैसे मैंने बताया था कि RRP is having a seasonal effect, and it is going to reverse, and we can see that here it is going to go down further within this week, and let's see कि उसका liquidity और TGA पे क्या effect होता है. Then let's look into the Velo website. Nothing interesting there other than I want to look at funding, how it is going with the mid caps. Let's see. Come on. Okay, a little bit increasing on a few, but nothing very much to concerned about. Small cap spade is a little higher, but yeah, this is all like at some trash. So very well. Not very much. Funding is not very high. Market volume is very high actually, and this is because आज अगर मैं देखूँ तो ETF inflows would be really high. Like we don't have any information right now, and I bet ETF inflows are very high because this just happened after New York session. So as you can see, Bitcoin के ETF inflows would be way higher than Ethereum because it is outperforming Ethereum, and Solana was outperforming Bitcoin, but right now Bitcoin is of course king. And if I look at Bitcoin dominance, it is also increasing. इसके ऊपर भी मैं बाद में आऊँगा, and I'm gonna tell you कि alt season कब आएगा. When can you invest in your altcoins? Do not touch any altcoins right now. Okay. Glitch in the matrix dashboard. इस dashboard का link आपको description में मिल जाएगा. If crypto quant piece of shit, come on. Oh, come on. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. While it loads, we're going to look into the other metrics to see what is going on. Average Bitcoin. Wow. I mean, this is amazing. Bitcoin की price increase हो रही है, but the capital heater is falling, which is telling me there is like people are maybe in disbelief and they are not like opening up any leverage positions. And this is also reflected, as you can see, in the spot rally, the quadrant model, which is also suggesting that this is not a like leverage driven rally. जो कि मैं actually मैं expect कर रहा था कि like this is going to be some sort of like leverage driven, but this is more of a spot demand right now. So good, looking good, and people are like waking up because this was in 16, and but not very much anything to concern about. It's just still very low. The app ranking, then percent supply and profit. It is, I would say, like a bit neutral, nothing to be concerned about. Like if Bitcoin continues to go up, probably it is gonna rise. Well, that's something to see for, but nothing concerning. हमें ये देखना है कि concern हमारा किस चीज में. Nothing concerning there. And stablecoin ratio channel is moving जैसा मैंने बताया था. that it is going to do something like this. If we're gonna go up, back up, it is going to revert back up into the bullish state, but it can very well do something which it did right there. It can just, you know, come right across there and then diverge. So, or maybe even like cross for a little bit and then diverge. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this, like something like this. You see इतनी सी divergence से ये हो सकता है. Then realized profit and loss momentum still low, which is also very good to see. It has not risen up. Short-term holder MVRV, इसको मैं expect कर रहा था कि it is going to reset. As you can see previously, when it has moved down, it has tendency to reset into its main area here, here, and here, and here, and here as well, here as well, as you can see. But it has not went down, and maybe we're gonna see it. Maybe we're gonna see it because I have been telling you guys it is more likely that Bitcoin is gonna push into its resistance, and if it does not hold, because we have a little bit of liquidations in this area, maybe we're gonna see a pullback, or maybe we're going to see like something like this and a pullback later on. We don't know. We don't know. Let's see if we have any further information to support what we are believing in, because हमारे guesses matter नहीं करते. ये matter करता है कि what is data telling us. So choppiness index, as you know, कि इसको मैं cover करता हूँ. I'm gonna get rid of the 1 day first, and the 1 week choppiness index, जैसा मैंने बताया था कि it is going to go somewhere around this area at least before going back down, and right now it is indicating that we are still in the mean reverting market state. And the 1 month choppiness index also, if you squint very closely, if you squint very closely, it is going sideways. So sideways also indicates mean reverting state, not trending. And if we look at 1 day, so it is also, well, it has come down. It has come down. So when going up, it indicates like this is the threshold for its peak exhaustion. If you understand what I mean. अगर आपको नहीं समझ आ रही तो watch the analysis on daily basis. उसके अलावा आपको नहीं समझ आ सकती. So yeah, still choppy. And as you can see, open interest is very low, which is absolutely fantastic to see. And funding is also very low, which is absolutely fantastic. So what this all is telling me, उससे पहले फाइनल आपको एक्सपेक्टेशन बताने से पहले आई एम गोना लुक इनटू the liquidation heat maps to see liquidations. There are liquidations around 103 area, and you can see there are bunch of liquidations building up below the current price, which is which I absolutely don't like to see. That means we're gonna have some sort of pullback. And I'm pretty sure that we are going to, if we look at 2 weeks, then यहाँ पे भी it is suggesting that the cluster is going around 103, and उसके above there are very light, nothing to be concerned about. But below the current price, you can see there is this cluster of liquidation along with these liquidations, which goes to around 92k area. And this is this on? Oh, no, I did not change to symbol BTC. And let's look at 2 weeks here. Okay, 2 weeks liquidations going around 90. And let's see. CoinGlassPay is also suggesting around 80, between somewhere between 88 to 90k area. And you can see above the current price, it is suggesting 104, 103.5 is the price where it can go to grab those liquidations. But in case of like, this is genuine strength, this is spot rally, हमें ये भी अपने mind में रखना है. And liquidations, yeah, great. And we also have to notice that Bitcoin is just going into its resistance area. let's see what is going to happen, because what I see is कि लोग again सिर्फ और सिर्फ like fractals do not exist, but what people are doing is people are just retards being retards. They're taking the fractals from the previous leg up, and they are saying कि, oh, it is gonna happen that way. And when everyone is saying this, I say no. I say no, I don't believe, because fractals again they don't exist. And no, it is not gonna happen this way. Market will make you believe that it is going to do something, but it will not. So patience is a little required to see what is going to happen next. लेकिन राइट नाउ बिटकॉइन इज इन द अप ट्रेंड, और मुझे याद है कि मैंने एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे कहा था कि शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेंड इज लॉन्ग विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी. मैंने आज बताया था कि इट इज अ लिटिल अनसर्टेन. एंड माय मीडियम टर्म टीपीआई इज स्टिल नेगेटिव, नॉट शोइंग एनी साइंस ऑफ टर्निंग पॉजिटिव. मे बी आज के बार क्लोज के बाद इट इज गोना टर्न पॉजिटिव, बट इट माइट वेरी वेल गिव अ फॉल्स सिग्नल, जिसके बाद बिटकॉइन इज गोइंग टू पुल बैक. That is also going to आपके altcoins भी काफी ज्यादा pull back हो गए. And if you see today, let's get into the altcoins. Okay, if you see today what is happening, altcoins, they are moving nicely. But if Bitcoin rejects or move a little down, they're gonna have pullbacks again. Oh, AKT, good strength. And Bitcoin dominance, जैसा हमने पहले देखा कि it is rising. So हमने एक similar behavior देखे in the Bitcoin dominance. If we go here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is the time when Bitcoin dominance rises. इस पूरे फेज में तो it was, yeah. And here, as you can see, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday उसके बाद reversal. Then here, Monday, Tuesday. So first half of the week, Bitcoin dominance tends to rise, and as you can see, people are calling for alt season. I don't think it is the alt season, the proper alt season. They don't have any pullbacks. So what my best guess is, okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin dominance keep this area and maybe like give a wick towards upside tomorrow. Uske baad it is going to fall in the second half of this week, और second half of this week आप देख सकते हो alts को कि they are going to have their next leg up. This is most likely to happen. Again, it depends on what Bitcoin does. अगर Bitcoin यहाँ से which I don't think it is going to, maybe it is going to go higher. If it goes higher, we're gonna see alts going up like with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin dominance is gonna keep rising again. ये हमेशा माइंड में रखना. And अगर थोड़ा सा भी pull back आया, always remember this: if Bitcoin pulls back 1%, 2%, 3%, it is going to, your alts are gonna pull back 15, 20%, because nothing goes up in the straight line. Everything goes, sorry, everything goes through a path. आपको path predict नहीं करने, लेकिन आपको अपनी best expectation form करनी है in the times like this, when, yeah, I understand there are a lot of metrics which are very, like, they have cooled down. They are suggesting that bottom is in. They are suggesting that Bitcoin is ready to move up into the next leg. लेकिन again, always हमेशा जब भी prices ऊपर जा रही हो, be conservative, be always looking for what might you be missing. So yeah, alts are rising today, but they are going to rise more going into the weekend. Maybe like Friday, Thursday, Friday. And also we have Trump's inauguration on 20th, which is going to produce a catalyst in either way, maybe down, maybe up, we don't know. But what I think is, if we see a pullback, any pullback to this area is a screaming buy. Screaming buy. Kyunke if Bitcoin pulls back here going into the second half of the week, alts are gonna run, and then it is going to rise again going into Trump's inauguration. Maybe then it is going to produce some sort of like volatility, and to upside or to the downside, who knows. It depends कि catalyst क्या कहता है. Again, without the external liquidity, without the global liquidity injections, and without the TGS spend down, I am not sure if this rally is going to sustain itself, but again, is it is to be seen what is going to happen. Then let's look at Sui. As you all know, my favorite altcoin in the world. Well, कोई favorite कोई इस वजह से नहीं कि like I love the technology or what favorite because मेरे system ने out of nowhere randomly मुझे Sui provide कर दिया था. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. Out of nowhere, my system, one day I'm updating my systems, putting in new altcoins and trying out new stuff, and अपनी strategy को मैं test करता हूँ, and it gives me Sui. It tells me कि Sui buy कर लो. And what I do, मैं almost like $1 से below थी मेरी entry price. I don't remember. I buy Sui. And what happens? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it happened. My 5x on major holding, by the way. So incredible strength, incredible. यहाँ पे भी मैंने सबको बताया था, अपने analysis में बताया था कि Sui is looking absolutely crazy strong. And other token which I want to talk about is Grass. Absolute monster in terms of strength. Last 3 days से it was going down a little because it has a massive move up. मैंने अपने students को actually में ये buy area जो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, मैंने ये यहाँ पे draw किया था, like when price was here. I told my students कि this area is your buy area. And what happened? Of course you can see what happened. But still आप masterclass join नहीं करोगे because you are in the disbelief. Even you, if you buy somewhere around here, 57%, and now it is showing the strength again, probably going to continue to move up. Don't know how far it is going to go, but next it is going to have a markup phase, because this is like markup, a pullback, and the consolidation, and now it is going to probably have a markup. Let's see where it is going to go. Then rest of the market, I'm not interested in any other token. Virtuals is also showing a lot of strength, which is absolutely amazing. Virtuals को भी मैं काफी देर से cover कर रहा हूँ now. And what else do I want to see? AKT is also like looking very absolutely strong, which is looking good. If alts are gonna move into the second leg, these are what you want to look out for, जिनकी relatively best strength है. I mean, और AKT को मैं इसमें classify नहीं करूँगा, even though AKT was one of my best and strongest performing trade through this phase. मैंने almost यहाँ पे कहीं buy किया था, and it was like one of the best trades I had this phase. So yeah, right now I have better tokens. So again, join the masterclass if my system it shows me that AKT is an outperformer. So then I'm gonna look. उससे पहले I'm not interested. Then what else do I want to look for? Let's look at meme coin market. Chill guy को मैंने bottom tick किया था यहाँ पे, and now it is pulling back a little. Probably weekend tak it is going to go sideways, a little choppy, and then it is going to move up. Opus, one of another जो मैंने अपनी masterclass में share किया था, around 10 million market cap. It is now sitting around, come on, if Dex screener 23, it went up to 30 million. So this one did a 3x again. Paradox also did a like 6x. Then Wolf is also one which I like. And Apu, this is consolidating nicely. Come on, Dex screener, I hate this. Whew. Okay, do we have anything here? Oh, come on. Wolf looking good. Apu. और बाय द वे वुल्फ पे भी मैंने बाय एरिया दिया था. You guys just don't listen to me. और मैंने ये बाय एरिया कहां पे दिया था? हियर यहां पे आई टोल्ड एवरीवन ये बता के कि इट प्राइस इज गोना गो देयर. You don't fucking listen to me. I don't know what's wrong with you. Do you hate money? Do you like literally hate money? Apo, absolutely fantastic. 60% move off the lows. 60%, is it? 70%. Amazing. Then what else? I wanna look at AI agents के वो कैसे move करें. AI agents because virtuals is moving today. Let's see, because they had a good pullbacks on AI agent. Aether looking good. AIXBT 18%. Chaos के साथ I created chaos because ये टोकन मैंने अपनी मास्टर क्लास में शेयर किया था. कहां पे? Let me show you. मैंने chaos अपनी मास्टर क्लास में शेयर किया था on 27th here. Wow, this is 27th here, and boom, it went up what, 10x almost. Pull back, now moving up again. So look out for these tokens in the which are stronger in the relative strength. Uske alawa I wouldn't suggest you to get now in the AI, like, don't listen to me because this is not like my thing. I have better memes I'm invested in, so I don't like, yeah, if I see some opportunity, if I see okay, this is going to be a big thing, but the thing is कि बहुत ज़्यादा saturation है and I don't like to go into the saturation. So yeah, guys, so Bitcoin is in the range. The thing, हर चीज़ का खुलासा ये है, हर चीज़ का एंड ये है कि ओके, यस, वी हैव ऑल द मेट्रिक्स जिन्होंने यहाँ से सजेस्ट करना स्टार्ट किया था कि ओके वी आर रेडी टू मूव अप, और मैंने सबको यहाँ पे बताया था कि ओके बॉटम इज इन एंड वी आर रेडी टू मूव अप. बट मैंने आपको ये भी बताया था कि देयर आर लिक्विडेशंस एंड देयर आर बिल्डिंग लिक्विडेशंस बिलो द करंट प्राइस इन समवेयर अराउंड दिस एरिया. That is still a concern to me. And one more thing, कि there is no DGA rundown right now. And there is no external liquidity acting on the market other than the ETF flows. But how far are they gonna go if we see a pullback? Okay, yes, we're not gonna go absolutely below, although we very well can. But अगर कोई negative catalyst हमारे पास नहीं है तो no, this is a screaming buy. If there is no negative catalyst anywhere through this area is going to be a screaming buy, because we are then probably going to run back up to Trump's inauguration, and uske baad we're gonna see what catalyst is it going to produce, because log first day पे इस चीज को बहुत closely देख रहे होंगे कि if Trump is going to give an order for the Bitcoin Strategic National Reserve, if he doesn't, market is going to pull back, then maybe we're gonna go to somewhere around this area, and if it does not, then we might see some volatility and we move up in the next leg. Either way, alts, look out for the strongest alts. मैंने आपको ओपन करके उनके चार्ट्स मैंने लिटरली आपको बता दिया कि आपको किन alts को देखना है going into the weekend and next few days, because today is just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afterwards. Keep your eye there and just be patient. Don't use fucking leverage. Altcoins already leveraged Bitcoin है, and just don't use leverage, because this is the place जहां से there can be a pullback. If it does, it's going to wreck you. Your odds are going to go down like 10-20%. So don't do it. Don't do anything stupid. जैसा मैं अब मेरे मास्टर क्लास स्टूडेंट्स, मैं मास्टर क्लास में भी I told you कि this, keep it spot, because there is uncertainty. We are definitely not gonna move straight up into the next leg, because we don't have any external liquidity to give us that next leg. Usse pehle anything can happen. Right now Sui BTC, let's look at Sui BTC. It might very well be having a pullback. Yep. So we might see Sui, if Bitcoin is gonna pull down a little into next few days, we might see this Sui BTC going back here and then move up. So Sui is looking absolutely strong, dude. I mean, look at that. Look at the strength. And Grass also. So keep your eye on these tokens. अगर आपने पहले मेरी बात सुनी होती, you would have made huge amount of gains on this already, but you don't listen to me, and many X's on the meme coins जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे share की थी. Anyways, so yeah, that's gonna be it. Gonna keep eye on all the metrics. Right now I'm spot long. Of course, मैं spot long हूँ from 90k, 91k, okay, 91, 92k, somewhere around there. I'm spot long from there, and I have diversified my portfolio into, again, Bitcoin. Major holding is Bitcoin, because ultimate goal आपका ये है to accumulate more and more Bitcoin. Then 30% of my portfolio is divided into Grass and Sui. That's a lie, 35% I would say for now. Because 4% is allocated into a few memes जो कि मैंने आपको दिखाई हैं अभी. I'm not gonna go through them, and nothing in the analysis is signal. If you need signals, you need to join my masterclass. वहाँ पे मैं आपको again पूरा portfolio construct करना सिखाऊंगा कि आपको I'm going to provide you so many tools, recorded lectures, so much guidance कि you can become an independent expert for the rest of your life. आपको पूरी जिंदगी किसी को सुन के डिसीजंस लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपको खुद पता होगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. डोंट बी लेजी. डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि इतना आसान होता है कि आप किसी को सुन लोगे और उसने अगर कुछ बाय किया तो आप भी उसको बाय कर लोगे, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हाउ टू सेल, व्हेन टू सेल. You need to have structures in place. You need to have your systems. So join the masterclass. $20 a month is nothing. Just chew and spit it away. It's for your education, which is going to make you life-changing gains in the market. So join the masterclass. Do not be lazy. And this year is going to be the biggest bull market year ever. You are going to miss out if you become ignorant. That's gonna be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.